guys, welcome to our channel, FoneLab. Are you having trouble with your iPhone's microphone not working? This means you might be unable to make calls or use voice features, but don't worry. We've got some easy steps to help you fix it. Let's figure out how to get your iPhone's microphone working again. Let's start by fixing the hardware issues. Dust and iPhone accessories may be the cause of why the microphone is not working. First, check for blocked openings. All iPhones have at least 3 microphones. Check the bottom, front, and back. Clean them and ensure these openings aren't covered or blocked. Next solution, disconnect all accessories, such as Bluetooth headsets, earbuds, and headphones connected to the phone, and use the microphone again to check if it works. Also, try a new headset. Faulty or cheap headsets are often the culprit when a microphone isn't working. If you have followed the solution above and your iPhone's microphone is still not working, it's time to check and fix your iPhone software. First, restart the iPhone. This can resolve many issues, including microphone glitches. You can also try to force quit apps. If the microphone doesn't work with a specific application, close the app and open it again. Another way is to give your apps a microphone access. To do this, go to Settings, tap the Privacy and Security tab, and then select the microphone option. Enable the microphone of the app you are having a problem with. Still not working? Your iOS must be out of date. Updating the iPhone iOS may fix the problem. If, even after doing the methods above, and still your microphone still doesn't work, it's time to use a third-party tool. We recommend FoneLab iOS System Recovery. This software can fix minor and significant issues on your iPhone, including the microphone not working. On the interface, you'll see for recovery features. Select iOS System Recovery among the options. Then, the tool will present all the system issues it can fix. Click the Start button to proceed. Next, connect your iPhone to your computer to scan your device. Choose between standard and advanced modes based on your situation. Afterward, download the corresponding firmware for your device. Once done, the software will repair your iPhone automatically. Please wait for it to be finished, surely. Your iPhone's microphone that doesn't work will be fixed. When your iPhone's microphone stops working, it can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you cannot make calls, record audio, or use voice commands. A malfunctioning microphone can disrupt your daily activities. It's a good thing some solutions can solve this problem, and we mostly recommend FoneLab iOS System Recovery. For more helpful videos, visit our channel FoneLab. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the following video. Thanks for watching.